Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to update you all on the latest progress with the St. Thomas Highway before the year comes to an end. I say St. Thomas Highway because it has not been officially opened or named. We have been watching the progress of this roadway since the very beginning, and there were days when it seemed like it would have taken a whole decade for us to see the completion. It's been quite a long journey with many challenges along the way, including protests from citizens who were forced to give up their homes and land for the construction. Sometimes, in order for positive changes to happen, tough decisions have to be made, and this is a prime example of that. Some people even reported getting sick due to all the dust in the area during the early days of construction. But despite all of that, the end result is truly amazing. What we have in front of us is a nicely paved 4-lane dual carriageway with soft shoulders, something that many of us never thought would be possible in this part of the island. It's a joy to be able to travel on this road without getting stuck in traffic or having to navigate through a maze of potholes. The days of sitting for long periods behind large trucks laden with aggregates, waiting for that one tiny opportunity to overtake, is a thing of the past. The journey time has also been significantly reduced to less than 7 minutes, and that is driving within the speed limit compared to the hour-long journey it used to take. This is definitely a huge boost for the citizens of St. Thomas and will undoubtedly lead to further economic growth and development. This particular section of the highway stretches from Albion to Bull Bay, and it has seen some major improvements, including the installation of traffic lights at the entrance to Grand Spin, making it easier for the community to access the highway. Thus far, this is the only section of the entire parish that has traffic lights. And if I'm not wrong, 4 or 5 more traffic lights will be installed along the thoroughfare in the coming months. The lands in these parts are quite fertile, and especially between Grand Spin and Albion Heights, they are, I'm sure, now in very high demand, as the view, especially in the more hilly sections, is simply breathtaking. Looking over the entire Kingston Harbor at any hour of the day is just spectacular. Be sure to look out for those ultra luxurious apartments and gated communities which will be popping up in the area a few years from now. This area will soon become one of the most sought after to live. No longer will St. Thomas be considered the forgotten parish. It's amazing to see what can be achieved with vision and determination. And as we approach the end of the year, let's look forward to the new year with hope and optimism. I thank you for your continued support, and I wish you all the very best for the upcoming year. Stay safe and be blessed. Continue watching and enjoy this scenic view. As you enjoy the view, see if you can identify any spot of land along the way that you can claim for yourself. Who knows? Your dreams today can someday become your reality.